Hey guys, I want to show you real quick why you should be deep linking your affiliate link Amazon products when you're posting those to YouTube, and also a quick and easy way that you can deep link those things really simple using my software Cha-Ching Automate. So going into Cha-Ching Automate, here is the settings. You want to click settings right here and do this before you even do your first run, because you want all of your videos to be deep linked. The advantage to deep linking is that when somebody's clicking your link from after watching your YouTube video, natively, if it's not deep linked, it's just going to open YouTube's browser or your phone's browser, and it's going to link to the product that way. But the problem with that is that the user isn't always logged in to Amazon on the browser. So that creates friction. They have to log in, and sometimes after they try to log in, or even just abandon that browser altogether, and then they go over to their actual Amazon app and look up the product that way, you've lost a customer that way. But if you deep link it, what it does is that it actually opens when they click that link after watching your YouTube video, it actually opens up in Amazon. It opens up with your tag, with your straight to the product that they wanted to buy. So that eliminates friction, and they say that deep linking adds about 30% to your conversion rate. More money for you. So go over to my software, click settings right here. Make sure your affiliate tag is, let me drag this window over. Make sure your affiliate tag is there. Once again, you want to do all this before you even hit run the first time, okay? Go over to automation, and by default, post tap is selected. And the reason I've selected post tap by default, I've thought about changing that to the plain affiliate link, because then people will say, the first time they run it, they're like, I don't have a post tap. Can I just use my affiliate link? And you can. I want you to be forced to go over here and select that, because the advantages to having at least the free service, this is free, free deep linking service, post tap, is 30%, possibly more commissions when you post these YouTube videos. So I want you to use post tap. If you don't already have Genius Links, or if you do have Genius Links, absolutely get put Genius Links here. If you don't have Genius Links, use the post tap. It's free. The first time you use it, first time you hit run now, it's going to have you log in, create your account. Super simple. So I'm just going to show you how to do that real quick. So I highly encourage you to use post tap. If you really don't want to use a deep linking service, then you can of course switch it to your plain Amazon affiliate link, and that's fine. It'll work. You just might be losing out on some commissions. So I encourage you to use post tap. It's already free. But if you have Genius Links, you can select that there before running the first time as well. But you want to do all this before running your first time. That way it's all set up. So click Save Settings, and then click Run Now. And once again, let me bring the browser window over here after it opens that browser window. Of course, the first time you run, you're also going to have to log into YouTube if you haven't done that yet. So here's our browser window. First time you log in, the first time you run, you'll also have to log into Amazon. Right now, it's just scraping however many videos you told it to look for and upload. Once again, you can do that in settings. I encourage you your first run to just have one video rather than a lot. And I do encourage you to get familiar with the settings. Okay, so here it's gotten to the post tap part of the process. So your first time using post tap is super simple. You're already logged into Amazon. Click Remember Me. Click Login with Amazon. Click Allow. And now I believe you're all set up. And actually, the very first time you log in with post tap, it will have you fill out just a really short form about your profile and that kind of thing. It will look something like this. You can just fill in your name, last name, your country. You can just skip the handles there and just click Update Profile, and then your account's basically all set up. Post tap is free. It's easy, and then by logging into post tap, it creates these deep links. And pretty soon here, it's going to show you the first one. So it just automatically starts creating one. You don't have to do anything else. You just sign up, just a couple clicks, and then very easily you have deep linked Amazon links now. So I encourage you to do that. Use post tap if you don't already have Genius Links. Let me know if adding other deep linking services would be beneficial. I think I just want to limit it to those two, because there's a paid service, that's Genius Links, which is great. It's only $6 a month. There's the free one, that's post tap. And then if you really don't want to use deep linking services, you just use your standard link. So I hope that's helpful. I know it could be a little bit confusing, but if I can figure it out, you can too. I'm just an average guy.